Grass letters. Letters which fit exactly between the two blue middle lines are called grass letters. A, K, E, E, M, N, O, R, S, O, V, W, X, Z.
Grass letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Grass letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z.
Have 4 lines in our English copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. First line called Baba line and the last one line called Mother line, and these two mid-line called baby lines. First alphabet is A, capital A, capital A. Start from the top and draw slanting line and draw slanting line downwards. Go to the top and draw another slanting line. Draw to the opposite side. Now go little below the middle and draw a sleeping line across. Read with me. A. And the second alphabet is B, capital B. Start from the top and draw standing line. Back to the top and draw a curve to the middle and draw the curve joining the bottom. Write B, start 3 lines. In starting 3 lines. C, capital C. C, start from the top and touching to the bottom. D, capital D. Start from the top and draw standing line. Down go. Again to the top, draw a curve till the bottom. E, capital letter E. Start from the top and draw standing line downwards. And go again to the top, draw one sleeping line to the right. Go to the middle and draw another sleeping line. Lastly, to the bottom and draw one more line in the same way. F, capital F. Make sure students, all the capital alphabets write first 3 lines. Let's start. Draw standing line to the top. Go down. Again go to the top and draw one sleeping line. and then go to the middle and draw another sleeping line in the same way. G, capital G. Start below to the top and draw a curve touching to the bottom and further till the middle, top it with the sleeping line. Again हम सीखेंगे how to write G. Write with me, make a curve and then make sleeping line like this. Further, I will learn capital letter H. From the top and draw two standing lines, one after the other till the bottom. Then go to the middle and join the two lines with sleeping lines. And the ninth alphabet is I, capital I. Start from the top and make one standing line. Then make two small sleeping lines, one at the top and another at the bottom. And the next alphabet is J, capital J. J, start from the top and draw standing line to the small bottom with a small backward curve. Go back to the top and draw sleeping line across. K, capital K. Start from the top and draw standing line, go downwards. Go back to the top and make a slanting line. To the left, make a downward. Then make downward slanting line to the right till the bottom. L, capital L. Start from the top and draw standing line down. From the bottom of the line, draw a sleeping line to the right. M, capital M. Start from the top and draw a standing line, go down. Go back to the top and draw a slanting line down to the right. Another slanting line up to the top and draw again standing line, go down. N, capital N. Start from the top and draw a standing line like this. Go back to the top, draw slanting line to the right. Now draw one another line up to the top. O, capital O. Start from the top and make a big circle to the left and touch this line. Make again, touch the third line like this. P, capital P. P, start to the top and draw a standing line down and go again to the top and draw a curve up to the middle. It's alphabet P. Q, capital Q. To the top, start to the top and make the capital letter O like this. Make a slanting line to the right, reaching the bottom. R, capital R. Make R go to the top and make standing line down. Draw a curve till the middle like P and draw a slanting line to the bottom. S, capital S. Start from the top, swing to the left. Create curve and now swing to the right and create another curve backward to the bottom. T, capital T. T, start from the top, draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a sleeping line across. U, capital U. U, start from the top and draw a standing line and curve towards the right and keep going up to reach the top. V, capital V. V, start from the top and draw a slanting line down. Make a slanting line up to the right. W, capital W. Start from the top and draw slanting line down to the right, then up to the top. Now make a slanting line downward and then slanting line up to the top. X, capital X. Capital Y. Start from the top and make a slant down to the right. Go to the top and again make a slanting line down to the left. From the meeting point of these lines, draw a standing line to the bottom. Z, capital Z. Draw a sleeping line towards the right and then make a slanting line down towards left, reaching the bottom. Now again draw a sleeping line from the bottom to the right.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, B. C for cat and C for cup, C. D for dog, D for dots, D. E for egg and E for elephant, F for frog, F for fish, F. G for goat and G for grass, G. H for hand, H for hat, H. I for ink and I for insect, E. J for juice, J for jar, J. for king and K for kite. K, 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 k. L for lamb, L for leaf. L, 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 l. M for man and M for monkey. M, 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 m. N for neck, N for nose. N, 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 n. O for ocean, O for oar. O, 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 o. P for plum, P for parrot. P, 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 p. Q for queen and Q for quail. Q, 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 Q. R for rope, R for rat. R, 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 r. S for sun and S for sunflower. S, 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 s. T for tap, T for tub. T, 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 t. U for uncle, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for violet. V, 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 v. W for well and W for water. W, 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 w. X for box, X for fox. X, 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 x. Y for yacht and Y for yellow. Y, 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 y. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Z, 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 z.